Hello everybody. We're going to be doing our next health lesson today, but this one's not so much about like our body health. This is more of kind of like health safety or like mental health. And this is all going to be about digital citizenship. And digital citizenship, you can see right there and right in the middle where it says Digital Citizenship Lesson 1. This is all about being online, like being on your iPad, being on a computer, being on a phone, how to be safe, kind, and responsible using that digital technology. In digital, just meaning anything that's electronic, especially something that where you have the internet as part of it, and you can connect and talk with other people. And so that's what we're going to be doing for these next two lessons. So the only one that you can see today is called Digital Citizenship Lesson 1. So we're going to open it up. And just like the last few lessons, you are missing step 1 because I'm making the video right now. That's what you had to do is open this video and start watching. But I'm going to go to step 2. Open this Padlet and answer the question. Just like the last few lessons, we're going to get to start with this Padlet. In the bottom right corner is that rectangle with an arrow. So if Schoology is not working really well for your Padlet, you can always hit that action button and hit open in Safari. But in that top left corner starts the question at how can you be safe? How can you be safe when you're on the internet or using digital tools? And so digital really means electronic, like on your iPad, a phone, computer, or any kind of tablet at all. It could be, also like any of the Kindles or any of the big companies like Samsung. They all make their own versions of tablets. But really it's anything electronic, especially if you're connected to the internet. Write at least one idea how to be safe. So Mr. Johnson, my first idea when I was thinking about this was don't share passwords. That's probably the biggest and best thing. Never, ever, ever share passwords about anything. So what you are going to do, seeing here now, all of a sudden my post button is not on there. I'm going to go to Safari and see why it's not opening up. And I am just seeing, okay, well, before you do this, I'm going to make sure that's working. But remember, in the bottom right corner, there's always that pink, it should be a little pink circle with a white plus sign. I'll get this figured out on why it's not working. My guess is it's running just a little bit slow. My Wi-Fi has been going really slow today. But I'll make sure it's working. But just in that bottom right corner will be that pink circle with the white plus button again. When you're doing your posts, make sure to write your name on the top and then your answer underneath. Okay, so after you're done posting on Padlet, we're going to go back to Schoology. In the top left corner, hit that X button. Then we're going to go to part 3, open in Notability for Notes, online safety. So you can see it's a PDF. So in the top right corner, I'm going to hit the action button, the rectangle with an arrow, send it to Notability. I have 3 options: add to health, why we need sleep, create new note, or add to another note. Always create new note. Create new note. It's the middle one for me. Top right corner, I'm going to hit the blue import. Then the first thing I'm going to do, always write my name. That helps me so much when I'm looking through all of your submissions. When you send this stuff in to me, it just makes it way better so I know who is who. So our title today is Health. Online safety. I'm going to just jot down a few things here again. Determine means to figure out. Main idea means I should say main idea and key details means most important facts. Okay, now you can read the goal with me if you want to, but I can determine the main idea and key details for support about online safety. So determine, remember, means figure out, and main idea, key details, most important facts. And it's all going to be about online safety. So here's our 2-column note taker. The left side, first column, big ideas. The second column is key details. So the big ideas are kind of the questions or ideas for us to think about, and the key details are where we write all of those facts. So we are going to be watching a video again today. It's going to be one of the shorter, it's a shorter video. It gives like 5 really good tips on how to be safe. Then we have a good article. And these are the questions we're going to be trying to answer. What is online safety? Why should you be safe online? How can you be safe online? So we're going to try to answer those 3 questions using the video and the article. So just like in the last lesson, you're going to be using 2 different resources, 2 different ways to get information, and you're going to be putting those together to answer all of these things. For each of these, you're going to put at least 2 key details, 2 facts for each section. For video notes, for what is online safety, why should you be safe online, and how can you be safe online. So after today, you will have at least 8, because I have 4 sections, 2 in each. 4 times 2 is 8. So at least 8 facts, key details. You can always have more. But I'm going to start by thinking about the video. So I'm going to keep that open in Notability. I'm going to go back to Schoology. In the top left corner, there's my back arrow button. I'm not going to open it up. Just like I've been saying, for whatever reason, my app that I record has been causing problems when I try to watch videos. But step 4 says, open this movie, watch and take notes. So I'm going to stop the video here. You watch that video. On here, video notes, at least 2 key details. And we can compare notes after.